Hello guys.
Halo.
Hello. Hi.
I'm so happy to see you guys. First of all, before we start the discussion, let me introduce myself. My name is Nisfil Amelia Ramadhani. You can call me Nisfil.
And my name is Dinda Permatasari. You can call me Dinda.
Yeah, my name is Winda Amalia. You can call me Winda. And my name is Nuraini Septianingrum. You can call me Sakti.
Yeah, and my name is Bunadin Tribrata. You can call me Bunaya or Hanif.
Okay, nice to meet you guys. Okay, we can start the discussion about the developing an instructional design for developing students' critical thinking skill. We should know about the definition of the critical thinking skill. Now, critical thinking skill is one of the skill that must be developed by the students so that students are able to identify and solve problems and communicate problem-solving solution clearly to others. Okay, after we know about the critical thinking skill, how do you think, guys, to make an instructional design to develop students' critical thinking skill? Remember if we ask prospective teacher.
Okay, I'll go first. In my honest opinion, before we enhance students' critical thinking skills, we have to build an active classroom atmosphere first. And I have a tips and tricks such as not standing in one position while we are teaching, provoking as many students' ideas as possible, and giving full attention to them, making classroom learning more variative, for example, by warming up, games, icebreaking, and other similar things. And last but not least, we can use technology. With a good and interesting presentation, the students will be more focused on the material presented. Feel free to make something different. So after that, guys, in your opinion, what learning model is suitable to be applied to improve students' critical thinking skill? Let me know, guys.
Okay. In my opinion, an effective way to increase students' activeness and critical thinking skill is to use the PBL learning model or problem-based learning, in which the PBL learning model will provide opportunities for students to hold discussion by providing opinions and solutions in solving problems. What opinion yours? What opinion, Septi? What your opinion, Septi?
Okay, in my opinion, I think every educator have their own way to create active and interactive learning so that critical thinking of student can be improved. But honestly, in my personal opinion, one way to improve critical thinking of student is design the appropriate learning model that student can stimulate to think deeply, such as you said before, Bunaya. Problem-based learning can be a solution, because I think if we using the problem-based learning, it can stimulate students to think deeply because they must to solve the problem. Another opinion? Okay, in my opinion, instructional
design can improve student critical thinking skill because it can produce quality learning in which the learning involves educators and students to achieve the desired learning targets. With this, students can achieve optimal learning outcomes. It's from me. How do you think, guys?
Okay. Adding back to what was said by Septi, in my opinion, apart from using the PBL learning model to improve student critical thinking skills, teachers can also use direct experiment-oriented learning models, such as the PGBL learning models and discovery learning. It is hoped that by using the learning model, students' critical thinking can be further improved than before.
Okay, I agree with you, Bunaya. In my opinion, one of the learning models that can support students' critical thinking is project-based learning models. Project-based learning models as one of the very good learning models at developing basic skill to have students include thinking skill, decision making skill, creativity ability, problem solving skills, and also effective in developing self-confidence and self-management students. Students are actively involved in the learning process through activities, research to work on project that is used in solve real-world problems so that students can explore, interpret, and synthesizing the problems that put into a real product. Stage of learning by applying these models can help students to developing the students' critical thinking skill.
Okay, I agree with Funaya and Rara's opinions regarding discovery learning and project-based learning models that can be used to improve student critical thinking skills. In the discovery learning models, students are given a stimulus to stimulate students' minds to think critically. This is because discovery learning is learning that focus on concept by involving students actively in problem-solving activities and assignments, while the project-based learning models can improve student critical thinking skill because students will carry out social interaction requires him to be actively and involved during learning. It requires the active participation of friends in inviting fellow friends to participate so that students will have good social skills and critical thinking skills as well. How do you think, Dinda?
But actually, guys, in developing instructional design can be done with various models. The models that are usually used include AD model and CARE models, Marie's first principle of instruction, Sam and Bloom taxonomy. Among the several models used, the following is the use of the AD model in the development of instructional design. And AD is an instructional design development model consisting of analysis, design, development, implementation, and the last is evaluation. By using these models, I think as a teacher, we can enhance our students' critical thinking skills. That's all.
But guys, besides you guys said about learning model, I think using a tools and material like proofs, it's needed to improve students' critical thinking. Do you guys agree with that?
Yes, I agree with you.
100% agree.
Yeah.
Yeah, it turns
Yeah, I
out
agree with you.
there are so many ways to improve or develop the students' critical thinking. I get after the discussion, I get the knowledge about the learning models and how to make the class is happy or something like that. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. See you.
See you.
Okay, I think the
See you.
discussion is enough. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, guys.